Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 11 of Surah Naziat and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أإذا كنا عظاما نخرة. From your throat. The Hamza is a throat letter. So it should be from your throat. For Fatha, open your jaws. E. For Kasra, give E sound. And Hamza should stay very sharp, very pinchy sound. E. The. How you say that? The makhraj of Dal is when you touch the tip of your tongue to the edge of your frontal teeth, two teeth. This is the where Zal is being pronounced. The is 2 counts long because it is a long vowel. Alif followed by fatha is a long vowel. The kun for dhamma, circle your lips, attached with noon. Kun here on kaf, you're circling your lips very well. As soon as you will touch noon, you will make your lips very straight in a natural position, and then noon will get sifa of gunna, and gunna is keeping the sound in your nose. Kun, and na is 2 counts long because it's alif followed by fatha. Kunna. Ain from your throat. For kasra, give E sound. The is 2 counts long vowel because this standing patha is just, it is actually complete alif. So if you wanted to write it another way, it will be like this. The. Yes. The in the is heavy. And the makhraj of dha is just like dal when you are touching tip of your tongue under the frontal two teeth, edge of frontal two teeth. Man. This is idgham with gunna. You're keeping the sound in your nose. You're merging sound of tanween into noon. And why you are doing it? Because the huruf yarmaloon, ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. Any letter among these letters will be followed by tanween or noon sakin. Then we will apply idgham and we will merge the sound of tanween into the next letter. And here we are merging into noon. عظاما. This is with gunna, so you're keeping sound in your nose. Na for fatha. Fatha is short. Khi, kha is heavy. And give kasra a very nice E sound. Khi, ra. Ra is heavy over here because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, ra is heavy. The heavy ra sounds like raw material. Nakhi, ra. And whenever you will stop on this circle ta for waqf, you will change it into ha, and this ha will get sifa of raqawa because this is among the letter of raqawa, and raqawa is a flow of sound. The sound should flow very well. Nakhira. أَإِذَا كُنَّا عِظَامًا نَخِرَةً. Qaf is heavy letter, and here it is on the highest level of heaviness, so make sure you make it nice heavy. Qalu. This and qa is 2 counts long too because alif followed by fatha is a long vowel. Look here, here is the combination, and lu is 2 counts long. And for dhamma, circle your lips because wow. Why it's long? Because wow sakina is followed by dhamma. Qalu. Til for kasra, give E sound. Attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. Til. This l sound is tawassut, and linamar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of tawassut, and lam is one of them. Look, lam here. Lam, noon, ain, mim, ra. Okay. Tilka, ka is short, and kaf is light. E, Hamza is very sharp sound for kasra. Give E sound. Then there is ikhfa. You're hiding the sound of tanween because kaf is among the letters which applies ikhfa. Mm, Idhan, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. You are not saying tanween at all. You are going towards the makhraj of kaf, and you're keeping sound in your nose. This is all about ikhfa. Idhan karu. Kaf is attached with ra. Ra is heavy over here because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, ra will be heavy. And heavy ra sounds like ro. Karo, ro for fatha. Fatha is short. Tun. This is izhar. Whenever throat letters are followed by tanween or noon sakina, you will apply idhar. And idhar is to say the sound of tanween very clearly. Karwatun, as it is, as this the mean sound is. So you are pronouncing it as it is. Tun, and you will apply sifa of tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Tun, kho is 2 counts long and it is heavy. Si for kasra, give E sound. Roh for ra is heavy over here because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Ra. And how and this ta will be changed into ha when you will give waqf, and how will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. You will not stop the sound of ha. Qasira. قالوا sorry قالوا تلك إذا كرة خاسرة. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.